two important concepts I wanted to get across before we actually jump in, especially if you've never worked with us before. That is quality or resolution quality and speed. So the video quality itself, if you're watching this on YouTube, you're going to go into the YouTube little gear item and go to quality and then click the highest quality possible that you can stream. So 720 I think is like the lowest quality I would recommend doing. If you have the other ones, it might be pretty hard to see what's going on in the video. So that's one thing to consider. And that is also true on our website. So if you're watching it there, we also have that same gear item. And again, 1080p is the recommended one, 720 if you really don't have that fast of an internet connection. So those are two things. And then the next thing that I want to mention is speed. So something that's really nice about using YouTube or our website is you can actually change how fast the video plays back. Now, this makes a big difference when you're going through this stuff, because if you just hear a lot of the same things over and over, which we tend to do that specifically because we want to make sure we drill it into you guys that you understand everything that's going on. But more importantly, we have to repeat things so everybody understands, because we're trying to solve this for all areas of people learning Django. So those of you who want to take more time, I recommend that you lower the speed down just slightly. That's okay. And then you can also rewatch the video. Now, a lot of you might not necessarily want to do that or think about doing that in the first place, but I want to make sure that you guys do think about doing it, because it's really important to the learning process that you're able to rewatch the video and also change the speed and that quality. Those things are very important when it goes through actually doing this stuff and making sure that you're getting the information in a way that you need. Now, for those of you who are used to a lot of our stuff, I recommend going at higher speed. That's what I do when I listen to certain things that I just want the information. I don't necessarily need to do everything. I just put it up at a higher speed so I can see and understand how things are being done or what's being discussed. So if you have any questions on this, let us know. Otherwise, let's keep going.